Hi, it's Mariah and
me,
also known as Unique. So we're gonna make a video, and we still don't know to call it. How about you? Do you know what to call it?
Nope, not a clue.
Let's try Ratchet Girls.
Okay.
Yes, no.
I said okay.
Okay. We gonna play 21 questions. Ready? Begin now. True or false? Is it true that you're black? Taking that as a no. True or false? Is it true that...
Let me ask you a question. True or false, Mariah? Is it true that you're one of the ratchet girls?
True. Your turn. True or false? Is it true that you are so weird?
True. True or false? Is it true that Deja said you got mice up in your backpack?
Mices. What's mices?
Rats, girl!
I'm sorry, but that is so false. True or false? Is it true?
False!
True or false? Is it true that you have...
False!
True or false? Is it true that you have a whole bunch of mices in your back?
False!
Okay, and that would be the end of 21 questions because it's too many questions.
False!
Because it's too many questions to ask at the end.
False!